Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an essential concept in Python, reading files and the with statement. First, let's explore the concept of file reading in Python. Reading files is one of the most common tasks in programming, especially when working with large datasets or external resources. Instead of relying on manual keyboard input, Python allows us to retrieve data effortlessly using the built-in open function. This simplifies input handling and makes your code more versatile for real world use. In this example, we demonstrate how to read text from a file using Python. The open function is used to access the file journal.txt, creating a file object that allows interaction with its contents. By default, the file is opened in read mode, meaning we can retrieve data but not modify it. Next, the read function is called, which extracts the entire file content and stores it as a string in the variable contents. This enables us to process, manipulate, or display the stored text as needed. The print statement is commented out. Using print would display the stored text exactly as it appears in the file. This approach is particularly useful when working with external data sources, allowing us to automate reading and processing of textual information efficiently. In this example, we demonstrate how to create a file object and read text from an existing file named myfile.txt. The program starts by printing a message, opening file myfile.txt to indicate that the file is being accessed. The open function is then called to create a file object f, which establishes a connection between the program and the file. Next, the message reading file myfile.txt is displayed, and the read method is used to retrieve the entire contents of myfile.txt, storing it as a string in the variable contents. After reading the file, the program prints closing file myfile.txt and calls f.close, ensuring that the file is properly closed to free up system resources. Finally, the program prints contents of myfile.txt followed by the actual contents of the file because he's the hero Gotham deserves, but not the one it needs right now. This structured approach ensures that the file is accessed, read, and closed efficiently, making it a fundamental example of file handling in Python. Now that we've covered the basic concept of reading files, it's time to put your knowledge to the test. Let's dive into some quick questions to check your understanding. Take a moment to think about your answers and drop them in the comments below for me to review. Alright, here's your first challenge. Can you complete this statement to open the file readme.txt for reading? Think you've got it? Drop your answer in the comments below and let's see who can get this one right. Here's your second challenge. Can you complete the statement to read up to 500 bytes from readme.txt into the contents variable? Take a shot at it and share your answer in the comments below. Let's see how well you're mastering file handling. Go through your answers and compare them with the concepts you've studied. Let us know in the comments how many are correct and how confident you feel about your understanding of the material. Evaluate your answer and check how well it corresponds to the concepts you've studied. Share in the comments if it's correct and how assured you are about your understanding. Now, we discuss the concept of with statement in Python. This powerful statement allows you to open a file and execute a block of code efficiently. It automatically handles closing the file once the block is complete, making your code cleaner and safer. In this example, the with statement opens myfile.txt in read mode and assigns it to my file. It ensures the file is properly opened and automatically closed after the block of code finishes executing. Inside the block, you can perform operations like reading or processing the file. The key advantage of the with statement is that it handles file closure for you, reducing the risk of leaving files open and preventing potential memory issues. In this example, the program first prints opening myfile.txt to indicate that it is about to open the file. Using the with statement, it opens myfile.txt in read and append mode, assigning the file object to f. The with statement ensures that the file is automatically closed when the block is finished. Inside the block, the program reads two integers from the file using the readline method and stores them in the variables num1 and num2. These integers are then multiplied, and the result is written back to the file on a new line using the write method. The file is automatically closed at the end of the block, so there's no need for a manual call to f.close. Finally, the program prints closedmyfile.txt to confirm the file is closed, showing how the with statement simplifies file handling and ensures proper closure without extra code. All right, now it's time to put your understanding of the with statement to the test. Take a moment to think about each question and then drop your answers in the comment section below for me to review. Let's see how well you've mastered this concept. Here's your first question. When using the with statement to open a file, does it automatically close the file once the block of code finishes running? Think you've got the answer? Let me know in the comments below. Here's your second question. Is it true that using the with statement is not recommended most of the time when opening files? Take a moment to think it through and share your answer in the comments below. Review your answers carefully. Compare them with the concepts you've studied. And let us know in the comments how many you got right and how confident you are in your understanding. In conclusion, we've now got a solid understanding of how to read files and use the with statement to handle them cleanly and efficiently. We've walked through everything, step by step, from opening files and reading content to automatically closing them, all while keeping your code clean and safe. I hope you now feel more confident handling files in your Python programs. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.